Hello, welcome to my first video. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy. Calculating percentages is an important skill to have in the workplace or just for when you're buying things or to calculate your grades. We're going to start off by calculating 40% of 500 and 20% of 40. Alright, so in order to calculate percentage, we must move the decimal place over 1 on both numbers. So now we got 4.0 and 50.0. Now we're going to times these. 4 times 50 equals 200. So 40% of 500 equals 200. 2.0 times 4.0, which is just 2 times 4, that equals 8. So 20% of 40 is 8. Sorry about that 8. I wrote a 6 at first. My brain had a small glitch, and then I tried correcting it. Looks awful though. All right, on to the next one. These ones are for you to answer. I'll give you a little bit of time. Try to answer them using what we just used on those other questions. All right, so just like the last ones, we move the decimal place over 1. 3 times 90. This equals 270. So 30% of 900 is 270. All right, by now, you should be able to calculate these in your head. 6.0 times 8.0 equals 48. Simple math. These questions are more of a challenge. What do you do when you have a number like 15 or 25, let's say, or 35, all the same? First step is to get 10% of the number. I know we're getting 15% of 40, but we must get 10% first. Okay, so 10% of 40, well, that's a pretty easy one. You just move the decimal place over on both of them, and you got 1 times 4. There you go, 4. So to calculate now the percentage of 15 of 40, we must times the 1 on the left side of the 15 in the tens place by the 4. So now we got 4, and then we're going to divide 4 by 2. That equals 2. And we're going to plus it to the thing. So 2 plus 4, that equals 6. Now to question 2 on this page. 15% of 800. We must do the same thing once again. What's 10% of 800? Well, pretty easy. 1 times 80, so it's 80. Now what's 80 times the 1? Well, it's 80. What's 80 divided by 2? That's 40. So 40 plus 80 equals 120. And now, even harder questions. 25 divided by 300 and 23 divided by 25% of 300 and 23% of 48. So, for the first one, we must get 10% of 300. Well, that's not that hard to do. 10% of 300 is 30. Now, we must times 30 by the number on the tens place of 25, which is 2. So 2 times 30, what's that equal? 60. Now 30 divided by 2 is 15. So 60 plus 15 equals 75. Now, don't let this next question confuse you. 23% of 48, we just stick to what we've been doing all along. We shift over the decimal place to make it 2.3 and 4.8, and then we times them. This equals 11.04. For some reason, I put 11.8, which I corrected later on the video. Sorry about that if you're confused. But yeah, if you got 11.04, you're correct. All right, let's quickly add in one more. 53% of 543. Ooh, tongue twister. So to do this one, we just stick to what we've been doing all along. Move the decimal place over 1 in each and times them. It's pretty simple. This equals 287.79. I'll try to get all in video, sorry. Well, hopefully now you can do these type of questions in your head, and you can do the more complicated ones on paper. Thank you for watching.